Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you different ways by which you can wear your shuku and style it. So first off, this is a shuku. First week of shuku, you can do this. Guys. Look at this pants, guys. I can't see. Oops. I'm good to go. Method number 2. Also, you can actually get home and decide, oh, the outfit I'm going to wear today is not going to match my shuku, and then you can do this. That's it. Guys, shuku is your best plug. Shuku is your best plug for protective hairstyles. Stop doing all back when you can, manage and manage and manage. Pony is involved now. Everyone is doing pony. Do your shuku, wear with pony, child of pony. You can use different wave on different textures, different colors. You can also add attachment to your shuku, just a little bit to color, so that to go with almost every blend of color. Just be creative in your own way. Today I'm sticking to black because you can never go wrong with black. And I'm proud to be a black woman. Yeah, comment below if you're proud, if you're black and you're proud. Yeah, my jacket top is from @stopshop2k on Instagram. Buzz them, send them a DM. It's very, very affordable, guys. I'm frugal. Everything is packaging. You have to learn how to package. So I'm back from my desk, and the second week I want to switch it up. I want to switch my pony up. I don't want to go with my pony strings. I don't want to do, the heat is too much. I just want something I can wrap, onto my hair. Guys, I'll be right back. Yeah, so this is rubber band. So this is how you go about it. Just see, guys, as many as you want. See, guys. Guys, that is shuku for you. Guys, you can wear your wig. I will link all the details in the description box of where you can get this product. They are very durable, guys. I've had this thing since September 2019. I've had it and I've made it into braids. I've used it for this method. I've wrapped it around my hair and all that. So guys, you can always detach this by just cutting it. But since I love how I look, and after this video I'm a head out. Always just go in, guys, in. And close this and joints. Then, yes. Whatever, we have you can also get the dreads, the crochet dreads, the crochet twist. So imagine your shuku is getting rough and you still have the lines. You can just do it. You might decide to go with the center part, so you can just start here. 1 2 3 1 and just make it. By the time your hair is full, you have changed it into braids without spending a dime, but still using the things in the house that you have, to create this style. And it's so easy to lose, guys. See, so easy. Thank you guys for watching. Until I come your way next time, subscribe, like, comment, share, join me on this channel.